My world. What has happened to my world?
Your world is dying. I've been waiting for you. Come meet your maker.
You are my creator.
I am Quintessa, the prime of life.
What have you done to my home? I will kill you!
You dare to strike your god?
Your war dooms Cybertron.
Maggot started the war!
You destroyed your world, you fool!
My perfect creation. You're going to fix it, or the race of trans dies forever. I made you. You are mine to command.
We must rebuild my home.
There is a way to heal your world.
My power of creation, the staff, was stolen from me by my 12 guardian knights. They betrayed me and hid it on Earth. Gave it to your precious humans.
The staff is the only way to bring life back to Cybertron.
You are going to find it for me. Do you seek redemption?
Do you?
My maker. I do.
It is time you knew the truth. The place you call Earth has another name.
Unite.
Earth unites Simon's ancient enemy.
Yes. You are going to kill him.
With my staff, we will drain the very life from Unicron.
Earth will die.
Yes.
And your world will be reborn.
I will fight anyone who stands in my way.